Let me be the first to present this new toy that we have. It's called the Maverick Stampede. So this does come with the basic Maverick soft wash machine, but the only thing is different, it did come with the slim 3-valve proportioning system. It does come with the 7-gallon per minute pump. It is mounted on a 48 by 40 aluminum pallet. It does come with two 55-gallon tanks, and if we come around, it's strapped with these nice stainless bands. It does come with the 6-gallon tank for your surfactant. It does come with your soft wash wand, your assassin nozzle with the J-rod with an extra 3 nozzles, 2 for rinsing, 2 for soap. It does come with 200 foot of soft wash hose with the stainless hose reel. This is very lightweight. It takes about maybe 2, but for sure 3 people to load up. We'll show you how quick and how easy it is to load up on your truck.